Hello Lifestyler, it's Lushawn. If you've just found my channel, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me here on Lushawn's Lifestyle. You know I truly do appreciate it. So before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you are subscribed to my channel, and the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. Also, share my video and content with your family and friends. I truly would appreciate it, and always drop a comment. You know, I engage in the comment section. Okay, so today's video is part 2 of my printable budget kit from Cassandra Soto. I just kind of did a review and flip through of what you would get in the planner if you printed it out. I mean in the kit, if you printed it out. And I just wanted to now come back and show you all how I implemented it in my arsenal. All right, if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, just for a quick recap, I just want to show you really quickly the budget kit in just raw form. So basically it is 8.5 by 11. You get your cover page, you get the financial goals page, you get your upcoming expenses for the year page, which this is awesome. I'm truly going to use this. You get your monthly dashboard calendar layout. You get the bill checklist. Then you get your monthly budget by categories and subcategories. So yeah, probably should have been showing that a little bit better. Then you have your trackers. You have your expense tracker, your income tracker, your savings tracker, and then your debt payment tracker. So you get all of this in the kit. So I will leave her link below. You can check out her Etsy shop, and she is also on Instagram, and she's Cassandra Soto. So yeah, I'll have that linked for ease. So this is what you get. So here's how I'm utilizing it, because you all know I use the Erin Condren for my personal budgeting. So I wanted to just kind of do a little something different for my business tracking that's not so, you know, costly, so to speak. So this is perfect. And all I did was I went to Dollar General and I bought a dollar binder, $1. And I put the cover sheet in here, and I just need to put my little, you know what, I can do that now because I have 2 cover sheets. I did one here and then I have one inside. But I utilized my stickers that I have. I'm trying to be more conscientious of using what I have and not being wasteful. So I'm just gonna stick that right on there. And I just put my cover sheet in the binder cover area here, and I'm good to go. Next is, and let me pull my little ambiance back here. Okay, so same sheet again, it's just hole punched. So what I did was I just made copies of what I wanted to track and record for this year. So I just did the cover sheet and the upcoming expenses. I need to sit down and do this. Let me bring y'all in so you can see. For the year of everything that, all the bills that are coming up. Next is, I did, bought these tabs, and they were like $1, I think. So just, yeah, $1. But I had to get, it was $2 because I had to get 2 because it was 10 in the pack. So I needed 2 packs. I have extra. But basically all I did was just go through and put, using, what did I use? I used the dates and holiday sticker book from, you know, Happy Planner Create 365 to do a lot of this. So I used the monthly section. I can show you in the back here. Back here you have all your like different days of the months and the days and all that stuff. So I use this area here to do this along the side of my planner here. So like January, February on the tabs. So label the tabs. The only thing I'm using for tracking my business expenses and income is the monthly dashboard layout, the income tracker, and the expense tracker. So I made copies of that for the entire year, and then I'll just fill it in as I go, because it is each month you see is blank. So I put just the month here, and I used those scripts from Uniquely Lushawn. She had the full year and then like the 2020s. So these are Uniquely Lushawn stickers that I had. The florals I used from Happy Planner Fun Florals, just to give it, you know, a little something something, you know, just a little something something. So yeah, that's that. So I used those florals. And let me come out something. So I used those. And what else did I use? Okay. Then yeah, the numbers again I use for the numbers to identify the month, the days. Again, I use the dates and holiday sticker book for that. For my paydays, I use the Happy Planner budget extension pack stickers that, you know, they give you, you know, just to get you going. So I use those payday stickers to mark the paydays, and like all my Monday paydays are for my Etsy store. My 15th and the 30th are for my eBay and Poshmark, and those I have to move myself. Those are not, they don't have like a scheduler. You just move the money when you choose. So I've decided to move those two on the same day, which will be the 15th and the 31st. And then the 21st is YouTube. That's automatic. So yeah, so I have my Etsy, eBay, Poshmark, and YouTube. So everything I'm tracking here. For the bottom section here, just to have a check off if I need it, or a note section. Let me just flip that up here so you can see down at the bottom here. I just put some florals there, floral stickers, and then just did like a check off. And I used, these were sent by Budgeting D. She sent me a whole bunch of them, so I utilized this section to down here because it kind of coordinated with what I had going on, so that I used those. And then as far as the bill due stickers, again, I have a lot of extra bill due stickers from Uniquely Lushawn, so I just used those that I had. I did have to cut them down, customize them, because of the square. These were a little longer than the square, so I had to, you know, customize them a little bit, but that was easy peasy, no trouble at all. So that's what I've done to utilize. Let me move this out of the way so you all can see. So that's what I'm doing to utilize this printable. And like I said, I just went through and I marked just February. I haven't actually filled all that in, but I will as each time I go to plan for the month. So yeah, so I love it. I think it's super functional, and that's all I need for my business planner, is for it to be functional. And then I just put a little, you know, a little doodads here and there to, you know, just to spice it up just a tad bit, so it doesn't look so plain and mundane. But again, it's functional. I'm not trying to go all overboard with it, because this is, you know, you want it to be cost efficient. If you're using a printable, you know, you're trying to be cost efficient. So again, the binder cost me $1. The tabs cost me $2. I'm using the stickers that I have, and I just printed out what I needed, the pages that I needed, and that's pretty much it. So I mean, you can budget, you know, with printables, and you can, I mean, I could have gone all out with stickers because I have them, but I really didn't want to. So yeah, so you can make this a great budget kit, and I'm only using what I need, but it comes with so much more. So if anyone is interested in this printable budget kit, just comment down below. Just comment printable budget kit and yeah, and it will be yours. I will send it to you. I will even send it with a binder. So all you got to do is make your copies and get yourself some tabs, and you'll be good to go. If you have stickers, you can utilize them. You can go to like Dollar Tree or Dollar General. I mean, even they have planner stickers, so you don't have to go all out with it. So if you are interested, again, just comment down below, printable budget kit, and I will pick a winner, and it's yours, and I'll throw in a binder for you as well. May even throw in a couple of other surprises for you. So yeah, so that is my business budget planner, printable, done in printables by Cassandra Soto. So yeah, so if you've lasted this long in this video, you already know you are a lifestyler, and until my next video, hugs and love. Bye.